Okay, independent client, customer word. This is a add-on. It's a buffet area add-on to what they have done in another part of the house. So this spacing is basically just this wall space here. I want to make a quick video to kind of define what we've done today, and then also to reiterate what these marks are here. Left-hand wall right here has a 24-inch return depth to it, exactly 24-inch. The right-hand side right here has a 24-inch as well. So we decided to go with the 21-inch deep base cabinets. So as far as that goes, this is 111 inches across, exactly 111. So we did an 1.5 inch filler to the left, 1.5 inch filler to the right, and then on the base we have 1, 2, 3 base 36s. Ordered those as vanity bases that are 21-inch depth, and they will have a single shelf in each one at 12 inches to depth. So that particular one you couldn't get a 24 depth shelf out of because it was not standard depth is 21. So a 12-inch depth shelf in all three. Up here on the top, we're going to end up with an 1.5 inch filler on the left, a wall 30-39, hung at 54 inches. That is 31.5 to that mark. You're going to have two 24-inch wine racks. Those wine racks are actually going to have a arch valance underneath them, and then here to the right, a wall 30-39 and an 1.5 inch filler to the right-hand side. Again, scribe for everything on the base down here. This is going to have a single toe kick. That's not going to have baseboard, toe kick, and then on the top, it's going to have a riser board above it, and it'll actually have a small bevel edge light rail here on the bottom of these two cabinets. Now I want to give you real quick notes on where these marks are. It's 43.5. This is where we need the wire coming out for above the area here for the lighting. So 43.5 inches from the left hand side. From the ceiling down, the cabinet was 27, so we're going to be at 26. This mark is 26 inches from the ceiling, and again, that's just there's where we need to have the actual wire come out of the wall. Same thing over here, 14.2 with ground, same place, 43.5 from the right, 26 inches from the ceiling. That's where we need the other light wire. Leave about 2 foot of light wire hanging out just in case something needs to be moved around. These two are going to require two 18-inch fixtures. So you're going to go and pick up a couple of 15 or 18-inch fixtures, and that'll be plenty. You do not need to be any bigger than 18 to fit underneath those cabinets. Now, as far as our installation, we're installing the cabinetry. The actual lighting, that'll be something that he's going to do after we're complete. So there won't be any electrical that we have to do on this. Just going to be setting the base cabinets, wall cabinets, and then preparing the upper part for him to do a molding after we're done. He's going to create a molding here that's the MDF and then paint that to match. We've given them samples of the oyster color so they can get a color sample match with paint. So everything else should work out just fine. One more note here on this length of wall, you definitely want to have at least 2 sets of plugs, maybe even 3. So like if you look at this is 31.5, having a plug right here like you've got is fine, but maybe putting the same plug over here on this side, about the same spacing. When you go to do your tile backsplash or some type of accent wall color here, those symmetries will look really a lot better if the exact same spacing of your plugs are the same on both sides. Okay, if you have any questions about this order, feel free to give me a call at 423-650-1051. Have a great day.